Y'all, today was an uneventful day. I didn't do anything except lay around the house, talk to my grandma for a little bit. She had one visitor, face mask up, of course. But speaking of face masks, I finally got my little Fenty face mask that I ordered on November 29th. It just came today. Can you believe that? I had another order that I made after this one that came before it. Oh, crazy. So, look at this thing. Look at this. This just spells trouble. I don't know if I could wear this out. I'd have to have my man with me when I wear this. What do y'all think? So apparently for 16 days, it just sat at the carrier. Then it went to Atlanta. Then it went to Miramar, which is near me. And then back up to Orlando. And then back down to Miramar. And then back to Fort Lauderdale. It just ping-ponged around for days. I don't understand what was going on with this shipment. I actually ordered some Venus at Flora roses 2 months ago from one of my friends, and they still haven't arrived. I don't know what's going on. A nice visitor brought my grandma these lovely pink roses. But let me tell you, they are the thorniest roses I've ever seen. I've stabbed myself like 3 times. Funny story. So remember on Monday, I was doing volunteering, putting together these little COVID packs. And my grandmother is on the distribution list for this same nonprofit. And look, the same packs I put together came to her today. Isn't that funny? Christmas Eve, watching one of my favorite movies, The Crush. It's on Amazon Prime, free with commercials or free with ads. I love this movie. It's one of Alicia Silverstone's first movies where she plays a psycho teenager stalker. My friend and I used to act out this part when we were kids. Beating up her own daddy for this man.